Flatbread can be used for breakfast, lunch, dinner, or even desserts. Today I'm making an appetizer called cranberry cheese flatbread. This would be a delicious appetizer for your next party. The ingredients you're going to need are flatbread, olive oil, honey, balsamic glaze, pepper, salt, fresh cranberries, fresh thyme, sugar, arugula, and I have aged cheddar. My first step is I'm going to take a cup of fresh cranberries and I'm going to put them on a parchment lined sheet and add olive oil, and honey, hard to get all the honey out. There we go. I think I've got it now. Okay, I'm gonna mix it up. So I found this is one way to do it. Take your corners, kind of noisy. But that works pretty well. We want them to be coated. Spread them back out again. Get the last of my honey. The oven is preheating to 400 degrees. Now I'm going to add sugar, salt, and pepper. And mix again. So again, I'm going to lift this up. Lay it out. We want them to be in a single flat layer. If you need to, you might need to mix again. We're going to put it in the oven for about 15 minutes. We want the cranberries to burst. And now we wait. Ooh. Our next step is we're going to take our cranberries we're just going to stick them in that bowl temporarily. We're going to put our cranberries back on. And spread them around. Okay, next we're going to put the cheese on, and I've just broken it into pieces. We want kind of a rustic look.
Pay the mouse. Cheddar.
So pick your favorite cheese. We decided on aged cheddar.
How did we decide that for cheddar?
Well, we tried goat cheese and that wasn't really our thing.
So then you asked Google.
And then we asked Google. So now it's going to bake 8 to 10 minutes as soon as the oven comes back up to temperature. Ooh. Check it out. Okay. Next step is we're going to put arugula on. Again, I'm not measuring. I'm just going to put on and spread out as much as I think. I think in the recipe it says 1/4 cup, but I'm not worrying about that. And our last ingredient is fresh thyme. I've already taken it off the stem. Now we're going to have to let it cool before I can cut it, and then we'll give it a try. Okay, now we're going to try cranberry cheese flatbread. Any thoughts before I cut it?
It looks good.
I think it does too.
Can't wait to try it.
All right, so there's 2 come in a package.
But this is only one.
Right. We used the other one a couple nights ago to try it.
It was a failure.
Well, we didn't like the goat cheese. That was the only thing.
Didn't like the goat cheese, and the cranberries were so tart. Preheat had to adjust the recipe.
Right.
And give it a little honey, a little sugar.
Right, exactly. Well, the honey was already in it. I just added the sugar.
But we could tell that it had good potential.
Mm-hmm.
So we haven't tried it since we've made these adjustments. So this will be as much a surprise for you as it is for us.
So we cut it. Oh, no, it's all moving on me. Okay. There, cut any size you want. There, I was trying to make it even. Okay. Pick your piece. Okay. Oh, we tink, tink. Mmm. Better?
Yes, better.
Definitely. Yum. And I don't use arugula very much, but I like that in this recipe.
Looks very holiday.
Mm-hmm. Definitely. It's got all the right colors.
I think you nailed the taste.
Oh, good. Perfect. Like I said, the recipe's going to be in the description box. And any final thoughts now that
Very
we've had
nice.
it?
I think this is perfect.
Oh, good. Yep. So make this for your next party. Well, don't forget to like and subscribe. We hope you enjoyed the video. We'll see you again real soon. Take care. Bye-bye.
Good job.
Thank you.
This really came out nice. Nothing overpowers anything else. It's all perfectly
Well,
balanced.
that's true.